Peaches are a good source of vitamins A and C, potassium, and fiber. They can also help reduce inflammation and protect against certain types of cancer. Lemons are high in vitamin C and can help strengthen the immune system. They also contain antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation and prevent certain diseases. And they also contain antioxidants that can help protect your cells from damage. Fresh juice can provide a variety of nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It can also help improve digestion, boost immunity, and promote healthy skin. Drinking fresh juice can also help increase energy levels, improve mental clarity, and support overall health and well-being.